Does YouTube TV require any equipment? YouTube TV is a cloud-based streaming service that requires minimal equipment compared to traditional cable or satellite TV services. Here's what you need to use YouTube TV. 1. Essential equipment. Step 1. Internet connection. A high-speed internet connection is required, preferably 10 megabits per second or higher for smooth streaming. Step 2. Compatible device. A smart TV, streaming device, computer, tablet, or smartphone is necessary. Supported devices include smart TVs, Android TV, Samsung, LG, Vizio Smartcast, streaming devices, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Chromecast, Apple TV gaming consoles, Xbox One, Xbox Series XS mobile devices, iOS and Android phones or tablets, web browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Safari. Step 3. Google account. A Google account is required to sign up and access YouTube TV. 2. Optional equipment. Step 4. TV antenna for locals backup. Consider a TV antenna if you want to access local channels without internet disruptions. Step 5. Smart speaker or voice assistant. Use a Google Home, Amazon Echo, or similar device for voice control features. No cable box needed. Since YouTube TV is a streaming service, there's no need for cable boxes, DVR equipment, or satellite dishes. All DVR recordings are stored in the cloud with unlimited storage.